Okay, back to work. Alright, so we got this bogus method going here. So, let's see, how far out is this?
Wherever you put it.
Half?
Yeah, I didn't touch
One. 1.5. 2. Half. 1. 1.5 should be enough. Where'd you put this one at?
Wherever you put it.
Wherever I had it?
I think it was 3 or 3/4.
So it's my fault?
No.
Okay, so we'll go about that far. Okay. What about this? Does this work?
Yeah.
Yep, that chokes it. Okay, we got gas in this motor?
Yes.
Flip it on.
You mean try and start it?
We're going to try to start it.
Okay.
We need some gas.
Humiliate myself more on camera.
Okay. Is the gas on?
Yeah.
You sure?
It is.
Choke it?
Yep.
Okay. Where's your starter button?
It's right here. It's gnarly kicker.
1, 2, 3. Stop. Any fuel in this thing? Ooh, it's got fuel in there.
Ignition on.
Okay, so go. Give it half choke.
Throttle full still.
No, close the throttle.
All the way?
All the way.
Okay.
Did you retard it any?
No.
Retard it slightly. 1/4 inch. Get 2 hands and move that one. Okay, that's good. Okay, we're just going to crack it a little bit. Maybe, I don't know where you're at. We'll figure it out. Fire in the hole. Ain't doing anything. Fire in the hole.
I think he needs more gas.
I think you need to kick it while it's still got burning in there. Whenever it farts back and has flame, you should kick it until the flame is out.
Oh, really?
Yes. Okay. Turn ignition off.
And more gas.
Choke it some more.
Huh?
Choke it some more. Kick it. Okay, stop. Okay, give it a little bit of gas. A little bit of gas. Turn ignition on.
Wow.
You're gonna have to work this. I cannot work this in the camera and do everything at once.
Okay, I didn't want to get in your way, so I got out of the way.
Well, I was trying to work on the carburetor, but I got issues.
Well, if you tell me, I know now.
Can't hear over the motor.
Okay.
We're gonna have to adjust the timing, carburetor, and everything all at one shot.
Give it more gas.
So hold on. I have no idea how much throttle we're giving it because the throttle is make believe it does what it wants to do. Okay, where's my screwdriver at? Where's my flashlight at? There's my
Flashlight is right behind. Yeah, on the desk.
I don't see a flashlight anymore.
See the heads?
Okay. Okay.
So more gas.
Okay, give me a choke.
It is choked.
Now it's going to go somewhere over here, hopefully.
Up in here.
Right up there. Okay.
Choked.
Give me 2 kicks.
Okay. That's 2 full kicks.
Yep.
Now, half choke, right, is what you had it at? Right here?
Yep, half choke.
And
Pull that
same
up.
throttle, closed,
Light throttle. Ah, damn it.
like 1/4.
See. About there.
Okay. And you want me to work the throttle?
If it needs to, just get it running.
Oh wait, I need the ignition on.
That helps. Can't work the hand with your hands like that. Okay, when I'm trying to work the throttle, get the hell out of the way so I can
Oh, you
do
said if
something.
it needs to.
It needed it.
So I was trying to do it.
Okay, so right now we have nothing working. A lot more gas. A lot more there. Okay, turn that off.
Okay.
Close the throttle.
More
Okay, give me
gas.
2 kicks. Unless it's running on 2 cylinders though now.
Yeah. I think that was 2 kicks.
I don't know. Okay, hold on. Okay.
So you don't want me to touch that, or you do want me to
When it
touch it?
first starts, I'll do it. When I start adjusting stuff, I gotta let go. So we'll figure it out.
Okay.
Let's go for it.
Wow.
Okay, so we have major issues.
Oh.
It's not getting any fuel hard at all in the idle circuit. So turning that jet on and off isn't doing nothing for it.
Well, we put that plug in there.
That's not the idle circuit, that's the main circuit.
Oh.
The choke right now is only 3/4 away and it takes half to 3/4 to run on. So, for some reason the needle is not, you just keep unscrewing this damn thing, it's almost all the way out. Here, I just pulled it all the way out now. And
Right, that's before I had it out at like 5 turns before.
I'm out probably 10 turns right now.
Oh, really?
So I just pulled the needle out. It's out right now.
Oh.
It's not even in there. Got this stupid spring down there fighting me, so I can't get it back in. What do you think happens when you got the choke on? It lifts the needle out of the hole.
Yeah. So maybe the needle is not tapered enough.
For some reason, your idle circuit is not idling fuel.
Well, at least it's running on both cylinders.
It is running on 2 cylinders.
I was really worried.
Okay, let's try again.
Okay.
I don't know if you got a fuel supply issue or what. It just
Well, I cleaned my tanks out,
it
so
doesn't have any.
they're clean now.
It just got no fuel to it.
Tanks are clean.
Two wells.
Okay.
Okay, 3/4 choke.
Quarter throttle.
If it even matters, go for it. Why'd you let it die?
Oh, I thought you were doing it in here.
I'm not down there. I'm trying to get the carburetor adjusted.
Okay.
I haven't done anything yet. I can't work the throttle from over there.
Okay.
It starts pretty easy though.
Yeah.
Crank it.
Huh.
Did you shut it off or shut itself off?
I didn't shut it off.
Where's the throttle at?
It's like half maybe.
You're almost full throttle. You're at full throttle basically for all you're going to get. Fuck. Too many issues you got to deal with here. I don't know if you got fuel volume issues or what's going on. Alright, give me 2 more kicks. Keep going. Try to figure out something. Go for it.
See, it just dies.
It's because you're at wide open throttle. You can't be at wide open throttle. It doesn't run at wide open throttle. 2 kicks. Okay, go for it. So it's running out of fuel or something. I don't know what it is.
Well, now I put it on reserve.
Yeah, well, it's too damn late. Shut it off. Put it back where it was. Put it back where it is, right now. Back down where we had it first time. Don't make changes all in the middle.
Now it's just back to regular.
Back to where we had it.
Yeah, just regular. Oh, that always happens. I don't know why. Even when I tighten it up like that.
Turn your petcock off. At least partially off for now.
Yeah, so.
Nothing coming out of there. Okay. Let's see what happens here. Okay, turn the petcock on. Is the petcock on?
Yes.
Do you see the massive amounts of fuel coming out of this vehicle?
Yes.
Where's it at? So obviously you don't see massive amounts of fuel.
Dude, this is exactly what I thought it was months ago.
So we have no fuel volume coming out. Okay, now put on reserve. Okay, now we have fuel volume coming out.
A little more.
Now it's flowing, see?
So maybe you're just running out of gas.
Shut it off. Yes, you're out of gas, sir. That's exactly what you got. No gas.
That's why it wasn't running, huh?
So, why don't you look inside the gas tank and see what's in there? My guess is there ain't much.
No.
No what?
No, not a lot.
Not, it's like almost empty?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, what a shocker. Can we buy some here with no fuel in them?
I brought a gas can.
I think we need to get some gas.
Okay. I'll go run and get some gas.
We don't need it right now, though.
Oh, yeah, we can still run it on reserve, huh?
Well, I got plenty on my legs, we're okay.
Oh, just wring your pants out.
Yeah, we'll just bring out the pants. Okay, so we'll go ahead and tighten this up over here. Okay, that's tight. There we go. Ah, damn, fucking spring. Just jams me up. Okay, go ahead and turn your petcock on.
To reserve or just on?
Reserve, so we get fuel in the motor, yes.
Okay, it's on reserve.
We need reserve. We already proven it, you got no gas in the bike. We prove it runs on 2 cylinders, starts nicely too, which is always a plus.
Yeah, even when it's like
Okay, so
slightly hot.
Half, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5, 4, 4.5 for you. You notice how it's not running nearly as good as it was when we first started it?
Yeah.
It's because you're running out of gas. Half,
That happens.
1, 1.5, 2. Okay.
So, get choking.
Start 1/4 inch. Carburetor should be full, I hope. That cock is on reserve, right?
Yes.
Okay, 2 kicks.
1, 2.
Okay, slow down. Okay, where's your throttle at? Okay, give it just a little bit, see what happens.
Do you want me to work this?
I got it, let's go. It's out of gas.
Huh? Oh, quite advanced.
It's out of gas again.
Oh. Maybe.
Try it again. I don't know how quickly it fills up. So. Okay, do it again.
maybe it ran out of gas.
Definitely got gas issues in carburetor. Shut the ignition off. It's got to be on full choke to get enough fuel in the motor to make it run. And you see how it wasn't really. It started puffing slightly when I went on 3/4 choke.
I saw that.
But if I go over here,
it runs pretty good.
It actually ran. It ran out of fuel.
Yeah.
I'm guessing it's running out of fuel. I don't know.
Well, I'll go run really fast and get some.
Let's go get some gas.
Okay.
Once you take this big jug here and put more than half a gallon in it.
Fill it up?
How much gas you want to put in your vehicle?
I normally don't put that much because I don't ride it.
Well, I'd say get 2 or 3 gallons because these are 3.5 gallon tanks. So.
Okay. I'll be right back.
So we're going to put some gas in it and see if it'll make the carburetor work correctly when you got actually fuel in the motor. My guess is there's still something going on with it. But at least the mechanical of the motor's good. It's just now we got to figure out the carburation issue and fuel flow issues and other issues. So, but at least it idles when it's got fuel in it. Starts up really nice, as you can tell, which is good. It's run on 2 cylinders. All those are pluses. So adjusting valves, timing, all that other stuff we did works great. It's just a matter of getting the carburation figured out. So, all right, we'll get some fuel in. Let's see if that does the trick.